Okay, updating your family and relationship information on your Facebook personal page. From your main page, just go to About, and if you click on Family and Relationships on the left, on the right you have two options. So you have Add Your Relationship Status. So if we click on that, here will give you an option to put down if you're single, in a relationship, engaged, married, in a civil relationship, in a domestic partnership, and so forth. Choose the one that you're in, and it will tell you changes will not appear in your newsfeed. Okay, but just to let you know, some of these options will update on your newsfeed. For example, if you became married, and you can put in the anniversary. I think there should be an no. You can put in the person that you're married to. Okay, and then you put in the date that you were married. If you hit save changes, it will be on your newsfeed. So it will be public. If you leave it public, friends will see it. If you hit on friends or only me, but regardless of what privacy setting you put in, it will go on your newsfeed. Some of these, this is basically Facebook's algorithm. Some of these won't. For example, I think if you become divorced, it won't go on your newsfeed. So not everyone, it won't be broadcasted to everybody that you've become divorced. And if you become single, it won't be broadcasted to everyone else. But if you do become in a certain relationship, in an open relationship, or it's complicated or whatever, if you're in a relationship, it will broadcast it publicly, just to let you know. So just put it back on single, or just hit cancel. And the second option is family members. So if you have family members on your friends list, you can just type their names here, and you can put down how are they related to you. There's quite a plethora of options, and once you've set that, you just hit save changes. And obviously don't forget about your privacy settings. Who do you want to see this information? Is it just your friends, just yourself, or just the whole world can see it?